Time for another speed solving session, but today we're doing a little different. I have supposedly the world's smallest Rubik's Cube, and we're gonna see how fast I can solve it in comparison with a standard speed cube. So I'm going to use the same scramble for both of them, then solve my speed cube first and then the small one. And so I'll have a slight advantage because if I solve it the same way, then I'll know what I'm expecting, but I almost doubt I'll solve it the same way, just because I don't have that great a memory. So, got our scramble here, and I'll scramble it. Okay, see if we can scramble this one the same way. Can already tell that it's not going to be easy to solve. It doesn't turn super well. Hopefully the scramble comes out the same. Corner cutting is terrible on this little one. Looks like I did good. Got the scramble the same on all 6 sides. So we're good. The scrambles match, and get my inspection time. Okay. Didn't like that. I was losing my pieces. Okay, I got 30.6, which isn't too bad. Still not perfect. Was hesitating a little on the F2L. Let's see how we do with this little one. I'm gonna give myself the same inspection time. It's micro. Okay, looks like I'm gonna start off the same way. But it takes forever to get these turns in. There it is. Okay, the cross is done. There's the first pair in. Second pair. Third one. I wish I knew full OLL. That would make this go a lot faster. Well, I'm at 2 minutes already. This doesn't go fast. Okay. Just hoping that I can do this algorithm correctly slow. Ah, there it is. 2 minutes, 14 seconds. As regards to 30 seconds with the same scramble with a speed cube. Well, that's the excitement for today.